Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what time it is. Got a box, but it's not a Jordan this time. I know. I've been, as you all notice, the wall has gotten bigger, but this time it is not a Jordan. So if you guys want to see what's in the box and how the shoes look real life, stay tuned. Okay, well, as you guys know, I am a Jordan 1 fanatic, as you guys can see on the turntable and back behind my head. But there's another silhouette that, oh, old school. There's another silhouette that I have a soft spot for, and it's actually on my left, but you can't see it. You will see it in a few minutes. And that is the Air Force One. First, the box. We got an old school Nike box. I remember this box, damn, 90s? Because that's when I was really rocking Forces in the 90s, when I got older and I had a job, you know. So first, before I open this box, let's read the label. Okay, this says Women's Air Force One 07 Premium. The colorway is Sail Dark Marina Blue, and this is a women's size 9. This is a women's shoe. I know it came in men's sizes. I think it did come in men's sizes. So let's this is so freaking cute. This is the Air Force One LA Flea Market, or LA Flea shoe. Oh my god, let me take the other shoe out the box. These are even better in person. Oh my god, let me pull both shoes out so you guys can see both shoes right here. And then I'm going to, let me turn them together. Here you go. This is what both shoes look like, and the backs of the shoes. So of course we're going to pull that left shoe because we are lefties in this house. All right, let me stop looking at the viewfinder. All right, this is the shoe right here, and the blue is going to be on the swoosh. Let me look at this colorway one more time. Let's see, it's Sail and Dark Marina Blue. All right, so all the sail is pretty much all over the shoe, with the exception of the Dark Marina Blue swoosh. We have rope laces on this, and on the back is the Nike Air written in the Dark Marina Blue. Let's see, what are we looking at? Oh, let's see if you guys can see that. It says it on the bottom, Los Angeles. So this is so cool. I've never been to a flea market, and I've only been to what was Fleiss? Oh no, I have been to a flea market. We did have one here in St. Louis. It was called Fryson's, and it was rated like once a month. It got rated. I remember the last time I went, I had to pay like $1 to get in, and I was like, why am I paying $1 to get into a flea market to shop? So whatever. It was a lot of hollow gold chains, fake Louis Vuittons, fake Gucci bags. It's just so freaking funny. But anyway, I digress. But this shoe is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. I just want to like show it to you right here one more time. But let's go ahead, let's get into these fashions, and I'll be back to close off the video. Okay, for the first look, I went with this taupe colored sweatsuit from Fashion Nova to go with the LA Fleas. For a bag, I went with an old school Coach bag that I've not carried in many moons. I picked this up at Steinmart. If you guys remember Steinmart, hit me in the comments. I don't know if Steinmart is still around. I think they might be here in St. Louis. I think they're on Rock Hill. I can't remember. Let me know. I don't remember. But anyway, I went with this fall appropriate color to go with the LA Flea Air Force Ones. I was going to throw a pop of blue in, but I kind of like just this monochromatic look with the shoe. Just, you know, typical Saturday, Sunday vibes, even weekday vibes. If you're just, you know, chilling, you don't have to work, you're running errands, you're just basically chilling. You're doing whatever you need to do. And this is a great, comfortable outfit to run around town in, or like I said, or just to kick back at home. If you wear your shoes indoors, these are, you know, of course, they're Air Force Ones, they're comfortable. So let's get down on the floor, let's get a little closer, and let's see how they look on my feet. I'm not gonna say on foot, but on my feet. All right, here's a close-up look of the shoe. We're gonna get in a little closer so you guys can see the different textures. There's some like fraying on the swoosh. You have your little orange flowers on the front. All of this is like a fabric, like a linen-y fabric on the shoe, and then you have your knitted white parts. On the back, you have your Nike Air stitched in blue. Let me get in so you guys can see the tongue a little bit more. The tongue, looks like it's a woven type looking texture, and it makes a sound there. And it's even on around the swoosh too. And also you have a little different weave around the shoestrings and the eyelets. And your strings are a rope, which I'm gonna tell you, I was lacing these shoes. They are kind of hard because the laces are pretty thick, as you guys can see, and they are a rope. So it's kind of hard to relace, but I think I did a pretty decent job relacing them and making them nice and comfortable. But yeah, these are the LA Fleas with this sweatsuit for the first look. Okay, and for this look, this is the standard Stacy uniform. Jeans and a sweater, especially in the fall and winter time. This is my standard thing. A lot of times will have my jeans layered up because it's super cold, so I have to wear a pair of thermals underneath. I will wear a thermal shirt underneath, which right now I'm not. But like I said, this is a standard uniform for me. Casual days, casual, I'm just super casual girl. Sweater from H&M, jeans from Target, Universal Threads. Bag is the Perry tote from Tory Burch. This is a great tote for laptops and just like a good business tote. And it also is nice to carry everyday bags. So let me get into the shoe because that is why y'all are really here. It's an Air Force One. Air Force Ones are some of the most comfortable shoes with nothing added extra to it from Nike. I love the textures in the shoe. I mean, like I have this textured sweater on. It doesn't clash with the textures in the shoes. It actually kind of adds to it because I'm doing this in the fall winter type time. So I love to be able to I like the way these textures are all kind of blending together. That's the word I'm trying to look for. I'm trying to think at the same, think and move at the same time. But anyway, let's get down on the floor one more time. Look at the shoe up close, and then we're going back to past me and we're gonna finish the video. All right, and here's the shoe one more time up close. You can see the jeans and the blue on the swoosh in my jeans. They don't clash. They actually work really well together. And then I'm gonna come down a little bit so you can see the brown in my sweater and the brown in the shoe. It all works because you can kind of, you can mix your browns. So that's the cool part about brown. But I will tell you, like I said a couple of minutes ago, these shoes are comfortable. I love the fact that I can put this shoe on with so many different things, color-wise, that I own. You can pull the blue, you can pull that orange if you want to stay neutral with the brown, you can. The strings are more of like the sail color. You can lighten it up. You can dress these shoes up or down. I'm just a casual girl, so in a casual world. Okay, so I just like to make this as casual as possible. But yeah, these are the Air Force One LA Fleas. And if you weren't able to get them, I am sorry. Hopefully they will restock these. But if I'm not mistaken, these are still on Nike's site. They were a GR. So if you don't have them, go get them. Okay, I hope you guys liked what I put together with this. I am as I film this part, I have not put the clothing together, but I have one outfit in mind. And I thought about this when I saw the pictures of these shoes, but now I really know I'm going to do the outfit. So, and you guys probably already saw it. Anyway, I am really excited about these shoes. But let's get in close. Let me show you guys the shoe one more time so you guys can see. This is the Air Force One LA Flea, or short for LA Flea Market. And the shoe is a full sail shoe with the dark marina blue swoosh. And here's the front of the shoe. The laces are a rope lace. And if you guys saw the swoosh, yes, the swoosh is hairy. It has like threads coming out of it, which is really cool. It has like little orange flowers all around, sporadically on the shoe. On the back, you have the Nike Air in the marina blue. The tongue has the Nike Air. What is this? Nike Air? Yeah, Nike Air and Air Force. The tongue is blue and everything is written in sail with a little bit of the orange, and the swoosh is orange right there. On the inside is sail with a little bit of orange, and it's in Los Angeles. Let me flip it that way. And Los Angeles is written on the inside. This shoe is so cute. It is really dope. I love a good Air Force. If you guys, I have not really shown you guys my Air Force One collection. You guys see them sporadically. But just to let you all know, I like unique Air Force Ones. Yes, I do love the white, the crispy whites. That is a staple in my life. I love, and I think I have one that's iridescent. That's a crispy white. That's a crispy white crazy one. I have probably, I don't have a standard crispy white Jordan. I have white Jordans that are a little bit like the shadows and things like that. So like a white on white with something going on. But anyway, this shoe is really cute, and I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry, it is freezing in my house. I'll tell you all this every week. Anyway, I am really excited about this shoe. I cannot wait to wear this shoe. I'm scared to wear it. I don't want it to leave the house. I am going to spray my shoe with my Jason Mark spray because they are a fabric. They're not a suede, but they are a fabric, and I do want to fabric protect them anyway. So, that's it for this video. I'm rambling, and what? I'm on lunch. We have 32 minutes left of lunch, so I need to go and get this lipstick off. And of course, I have corn chowder, like always. I had tomato soup yesterday, so today is corn chowder again. Anyway, I am very anyway, we're not going to talk about that. Anyway, let me get out of here. I'm like really excited about this shoe. Let me get out of here. If you guys have any questions about the shoe, I will have links below to as many places where I can find it. I did pick these up on the sneakers app on their drop day, which was this past Saturday as I filmed. This shoe came out on the 15th of July, and I was able to grab them on the 15th. So if I can find any links to anywhere that are not resellers, I will link them below. Also, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free to all involved, including myself. And also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I just write what's on my mind. Yes, there have been some new blogs lately. Today, as I record, I didn't put out a new blog. This is a Wednesday. I should have a new blog out soon. I think next week as I record this. So you guys, I have a few blogs new by the time you guys see this video. That's it. Let me get out of here. I got to eat and I want to relax. And I need to spray these shoes. So I'm going to get out of here. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.